Today we're installing one of our titanium signature series systems on this insane wrecker behind me for big boys towing out of Eureka, Missouri. Now this wrecker is equipped with a 605 horsepower output X15 Cummins. And for this application, we're going to be recommending our titanium signature series 250 gallon per hour unit. And it is equipped with a single fuel tank, so we'll be installing our FLK S08 fuel return line kit. Now the titanium signature series system is equipped with our Extreme Water Separator, which provides over 99% water removal and filters particulates down to 2 micron absolute. Along with removing water and particulates, we're going to be removing all entrained air and air vapor from the diesel fuel. And what that means is smoother idle, and these trucks can be idling for 5-6 hours on the side of the road, if there's a big accident. So that smooth idle is going to help tremendously. Along with that, you're going to be improving the fuel efficiency, and we're seeing an average of 0.65 miles per gallon increase. When you're averaging 4 or 5 miles per gallon, that's a big increase. Removal of the air from the diesel fuel will increase lubricity of up to 10% to your fuel injection system. And again, that's going to help minimize downtime because these trucks aren't making you any money when they're sitting in the shop getting repaired. We're also going to be installing our high output fuel heater disc kit HK1002. This kit is designed to power on at 34 degrees Fahrenheit and power off once your fuel reaches optimal temperature. And what this is going to mean to you, it's going to prevent the need of running any fuel additives, which will also help increase your fuel economy, and it's going to decrease the amount of time it takes to thaw the fuel out in your fuel tank. As the FASS continuously polishes the fuel through the FASS and through the tank, that heater disc will heat the fuel in the FASS, and when the FASS returns it to the tank, it will thaw the fuel out in your fuel tank. So we'll be sending pure, thawed diesel fuel up to your fuel injection system. By removing the air vapor and the entrained air from the diesel fuel, this can increase the engine power output, which will lead to reduced downshifting when the extra power is needed. If you guys have any questions regarding your install, please don't hesitate to reach out to our technical service department. They'll be happy to help. And if you have any questions regarding what FASS can do for your fleet, please shoot us an email, class8@fassride.com.